morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. So we are completing our chapter number 11. So today we are going to discuss the new chapter number 12. Now what is this all about? Chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 is about we need in our daily life, we need some helpers, right? We need someone. Now when we fall sick, to whom we'll go? We'll go to the डॉक्टर. नाउ इफ हमारी घर पे चोरी हो गई है तो हम किसको बुलाएंगे? We'll call to the policeman. So there are different professions in our day-to-day life we deal with. So the chapter number 12 is about what we do. In this chapter we will learning about different professions. Okay. So let's read and understand from textbook chapter number 12 what we do. Okay students, now see, this is the picture. In this picture so many things are going on, है ना? Post office, this lady is sweeping and this lady is mopping. She is going somewhere. Okay, the children here, one girl is selling, the boy is serving the tea to this man's tea stall is there. The girl is going with the scooty. The children are running for the school. Car is moving. So we read about this. ठीक है? Like other days, Ramesh was doing mason work. Now here one in the picture, the man Ramesh is doing the mason work. Mason work means he is making the house. क्या बना रहा है वो? घर बना रहा है. Okay. Now then what is written? He reached the tea stall. After his breakfast, his brother Rajesh, who had come from the village, was also with him. Now after eating the breakfast, he went to the tea stall to drink some tea. है ना? They need tea break. Very important for them. His brother Rajesh was here with him from the village. उनके भाई आए थे. किसके भाई? रमेश के भाई राजेश आए थे. कहाँ से आए थे? विलेज से आए थे. The worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is today's newspaper." Now जो काम करता है टी स्टॉल में, उन्होंने क्या बोला? Here is the newspaper of today. यहाँ आज का newspaper. How will you spend your whole day sitting here? Don't you get bored? asked Rajesh. Now वो पूछता है अपने भाई को, तुम अपना पूरा दिन इधर कैसे spend करोगे? क्या तुम बोर नहीं होते वैसे बैठ के? So no, I will do my work and look around. How many are doing different work? said Ramesh. Now what is Ramesh saying? कि मैं इनको सुपरवाइज करूंगा. ये लोग अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये काम मैं करता हूँ. Now in the next picture, hospital is there. Students are running for the school. See in the picture, students are running and teacher is going. This one is the teacher. The girl is with his father going for sell the fruits. Now let's read. One does not realize how the time flies. अपन को पता चलता है टाइम कैसे उड़ जाता है ना. एक साल हो गया, दूसरा साल स्टार्ट हो गया. Still you are sitting at home and learning. Look at that group of children. As usual, they are late for school. When you run, that means you are late for the school. Everyone is running. The teacher is also late today. Oh, it seems her sandals has broken. Now the teacher is also late. Why she is late? Because her sandal was broken. उनका sandal टूट गया था. She is going to Jagubai to get it repaired. It is good for him. He will get some money early in the morning. Now where is teacher going? Now where do you people go when your shoes are broken? कहाँ पे जाते हैं? So we go to the cobbler. We go to the cobbler to mend our shoes. Now teacher also went to the Jagubai to repair her sandal. morning, है ना? Now what is written? Let's read. Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. हमने देखा एक गर्ल बैठी थी, है ना? वो कुछ सेल कर रही थी. The basket full of flower. The lady working in the post office buys flower from her every day. Now हमने उधर देखा, मैम ने आपको दिखाई थी पोस्ट ऑफिस, है ना? तो जो लेडी पोस्ट ऑफिस में वर्क करती है वो चंपा से हर रोज फ्लावर्स लेती है. The construction work has started again. The truck is bringing materials. The workers will again be busy for the whole day. और क्या चल रहा है? कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा है साइड में. मैंने दिखाया मैम ने आपको. तो उधर भी क्या ट्रक आई, सारा मटेरियल. नाउ सब मटेरियल इधर से उधर कौन सप्लाई करता है? The truck drivers. The truck is needed for that, and the masons again will be busy in their work. Look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. अब हॉस्पिटल में कौन काम करता है? तो हॉस्पिटल में काम करते हैं डॉक्टर एंड नर्सेस. So they are entering the hospital. See Raji with his fruit cart. These days he also brings Mamta with him. Mamta runs around, delivers fruits and collects money. है ना? ममता इधर से उधर भाग रही थी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको फ्रूट सेल करने थे अपने फादर के साथ and to collect and she was collecting the money. Now the barber has laid out a shop, but whom will he shave? अब नानू ने क्या किया था? अपनी बार्बर की दुकान खोली थी. अब वो किसको शेव करेगा? So right in the middle of the crossing stands Iqbal Singh throughout the day. He blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicles from here. Hey, have you not heard me? Take the cart away." Now, one traffic policeman was standing. What does he do? He instructs the vehicles to go from one place to another and go fast. They have to stop. They have to go. है ना? So what we learned in this chapter? What अब तक आपने क्या समझा? कि different professions है ना? Different professions, they do different work, है ना? एक लेडी पुलिस पोस्ट ऑफिस में काम कर रही है. टीचर कहाँ पढ़ाएगी? स्कूल में जाएगी. मेसन क्या करेंगे? कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क करेंगे. फिर हमारे अगर सैंडल्स या शूज हमको मेंड करवाने हैं तो वी गो टू द कॉर्नर एंड देन इफ समवन इज वर्किंग और उसको सुपरवाइजर करना है, फॉर दैट आल्सो वी नीड समवन. So there are different professions and we deal with them in our day-to-day life. Okay students, so in this हमको यही समझाया है. ठीक है? Saying this, Ramesh put down his empty cup and walked to the nearby shop. And Ramesh अपने भाई को बोला, अपना कप नीचे रखा और वो बाजू वाली शॉप पे गया. ठीक है? In this chapter we have learned about the different profession. Now one more story is there. Let's read and understand that. Now we'll read the another story and understand that is on page number 85 of your textbook. Household work. It's about household work. Dipali is also one such girl who does not go to school. Let us read about her. Dipali आपकी एज की गर्ल है who does not go to school. What she is doing? Dipali is the eldest child in her family. वो सबसे बड़ी child है अपनी family में. Her father sells vegetables. He leaves for the mandi very early in the morning. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. Now what does his father do? His father sells vegetables in the mandi. Mandi में वो vegetables sell करते हैं and he left the house early in the morning. And what does his mother do? His mother do household work. वो घर पे काम करने जाती हैं. Okay. She also leaves for work early in the morning. Now उसकी मम्मा भी सुबह जल्दी घर से चली जाती हैं. Dipali cooks food for her brothers and sisters. Now who cook food in their home? Dipali cook. She cleans the house and also washes the utensils. Now Dipali cleans the house and also washes the utensils. वो घर का सारा काम करती है. Plus she makes food also. She is very fond of listening to the radio. दीपाली को रेडियो सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। She listens to songs. Now she listens to songs while she works. उसको गाने सुनना अच्छा लगता था। After finishing the work at home, she goes to drop her brother with their father. She then takes her younger sister Suman and Shaila to school. Now she is taking her younger sisters to school and brother to drop her brother with their father. भाई को कहाँ पे? पापा के पास छोड़ने आती थी, है ना? और बहनों को स्कूल. After that, Dipali helps her mother in her work. And उसके बाद क्या करती थी दीपाली? अपनी मम्मी को भी हेल्प करती थी हाउस होल्ड वर्क में. In the afternoon, she brings her brothers and sisters back home. वो अपने भाई और बहनों को दोपहर को घर पे ले आती थी. In the evening, she plays with the other children in the neighborhood. And in the evening, what she is doing? She is playing with the children. Her mother comes back home late in the evening. उसकी मम्मी कब बैक आती है? In the late evening. Dipali helps her mother cook dinner for the family. Her father comes home very late at night. वो अपनी मम्मा को हेल्प करती है किसमें? डिनर बनाने में. And her father comes very late at night at home. At night, Dipali loves to lie in the bed and read her sister's school books. दीपाली क्या करती थी? अपने बेड पे आराम से लेके और अपनी बहन की स्कूल की बुक्स रीड करती थी. She has studied up to class 3 only 3 years back when her little brother was born. She had to stay back home to take care of him. She could not study anymore. क्या था? दीपाली को पढ़ाना बहुत अच्छा लगता था, पर वो जब 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में आई तब उसका एक छोटा भाई आ गया. अब छोटा भाई आ गया तो दीपाली को अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़नी पड़ी और भाई को संभालना पड़ा. She feels that reading books helps her to know the things. Now she is back to school and goes regularly. क्या सोचती थी कि रीडिंग बुक्स हमको बहुत हेल्प करता है. And now Dipali is going to school and she is regular with her studies and learning the things. Okay students, so this was your chapter number 12. Read the chapter from your textbook. Okay.